Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, and cheers for clicking on the video. So you joined me over Birmingham again today as we go and have a look at an old Victorian flour mill over in Nechells. So you fancy coming? Come on then. I must admit I do enjoy coming out on these little missions. Just going past the pen museum there. Would have been one of the loading bays here. You can see. Beautiful, beautiful brick building. So this building's fantastic. Has proper stone floors, proper solid building. There's a lot of the original features still here. Wow, it's absolutely incredible here. Imagine it would have been where the flour would have come down from the top of the mill. See the years and years of wear on the staircase. Yeah, so we're on the 3rd floor now, and the 4th floor, the ceiling looks terrible. The 5th floor just looks unattainable. Fire door there, strange place. Some of the old original flour. Like gauzes, so they would have shook the flour through maybe to keep it nice and fine. Yeah, some flour would have come through here. A series of gauzes. That's incredibly unusual. Yeah, they've all been cut off. Clamps up onto there, look. Bizarre. So a lot of the original features are still in this old flour mill. I mean, you can see all the pipe work that runs all the way from the top of the building all the way down to the bottom where the hoppers are. There's a lot of the old original woodwork still just stashed in the corner here. Fantastic old place. See the wear on the stairs, look. So it goes up again. Just goes up and up and up, this place. Stone vaulted ceiling again. So the controls to the old lift. I'm thinking that the hole in the bottom of the door there, that would have been for a cat. A rat catcher. Oh, it's incredibly dangerous up here. Wow, look. With the old-fashioned nail. Ah, look at these bricks. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bricks. These ones here, glazed, look. The old Imperial. Burslem. There's the cellar. It's pretty creepy down here. Yeah, so cheers for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one, yeah? Ta-ra.